Hello everyone, it's Millicent from Kingda Ceramic Technology Company, and which is a manufacturer of the grinding medium bore, grinding jars, zirconia dioxide, zirconia structures, planetary medium bore, and etc. So now let's visit our workshop of each stabilized zirconium beads. We have unique ways in control product, microstructure crystalline feeds, scanning electron microscopy showed beads microstructure is almost the same as that of Japan Terso Company's similar products. We have 3 production techniques to produce our products, like titration modeling process, rolling techniques, and press techniques. And today I'm going to introduce you guys the rolling process, which is an important forming mass of the ceramic bores. Here is the raw material workshop, and through this rolling process, different sizes are obtained after rolling into the blend, and initial sorting is carried out. This area is the batch test centering area, and here is the small batch test centering. It takes 72 hours to go from low temperature to high temperature, and the maximum temperature is about 1475 to 1480. This area is the mass production centering. The centering temperature is about 1475 to 1480. Here is the inspection room, including slice inspection, particle mirror distribution inspection, roundness inspection, density monitoring, surface inspection, specification inspection, stress inspection, weld loss inspection. Here is our polishing process. It takes about 7 hours to polish with clean water for receiving good smooth and high polishing surface. This is our saving screen and quality control area. According to customer requirements for screening and saving, generally through manual and screening equipment to achieve desired size, of available size from 0.1 mm to 50 mm. And the quality control uses the sorting machine to sort out the qualified products. There are unqualified roundness zirconium beads will be sorted to related area. Here is our warehouse. The products will be placed by specification. The regular package is 10 kg drum, 25 kg drum. The packing plastic drums and pillars according to customers' demand.